Hey, hello, my beautiful viewers. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. I'm your favorite physicist and YouTuber. My name is Faya Sayyida Fatma Rizvi, and I bring for you people the very interesting and informative videos of physics. Tantana. So today our topic is about sound. So the sound is produced by some sort of vibrating body. Today we are going to study the interesting topic which is sound, like why sound is producing from the airwaves. So let's study the details of the sound, and please stay tuned and like, subscribe and share to my channel. Let's start. So, what is sound? The study of the sound is called acoustics. All sound are produced by the vibration of the objects. If the objects are vibrating, it means that the sound is produced. And the study of sound is called acoustics. Sound is the form of energy that travel in the form of waves from one place to another. So obviously, when a person speaks, the sound waves are produced, and sound is travels just in the form of waves from one place to another. What? The sound travels in the form of waves from one place to another. The sounds are produced by the vibration of the objects. Okay, if the objects vibrate, then the sound is produced, and the study of sound is called acoustics. Vibrations that travel through the air or another medium can be heard when they reach by the person or human ear. So the medium should be the air or it should be another medium. Okay, so the vibration that travel through air or another medium can be heard when they reach the person or human animal ear. So ear is the medium. Ear is the place where the sound vibration reached, and those vibration can be heard only by the help of ear. Okay, and the medium should be the air or it should be another medium. Mostly the medium should be the air, and the sound vibration travels from one place to another through the medium which is known as the ear, and the sound waves reach the other person ear or the animal ear. Okay, sound is the form of energy which produces hearing sensation in the human ears. Okay, so basically sound is also a form of energy which produces sensation in human ears. Now we should study the nature of sounds. Then sound waves are the longitudinal waves. Production of the sound, how the sound is produced. Let's study about it. Like other waves, sound is produced by the vibrating bodies. So as we have discussed before in start of the topic, that the sound is produced by the vibrating bodies. If the body vibrates, the sound is produced. So it is the compulsory condition that the sound is produced only, sound waves is produced only by the vibrating bodies. Due to the vibration of the bodies, the air around them also vibrate, and the air vibration produces sensation of sound in our ears. So basically, if a person speak, then it will create the disturbance of the particles in the air. So as the particles in the air disturb, so the waves through these particles travel from one place to another place, and the sensation of the sound can be heard from another person to with the help of their ears. Okay, how the sound is produced by the vibrating body, we should discuss it with the help of examples. In our guitar, sound is produced due to the vibration of the strings. Now you have seen the guitars, you people have seen the guitar, the sound is produced by the vibration of their strings. Our sound results from the vibration of our vocal cords. Just because of our vocal cords, the vibration are produced. As a result, the sound is produced. Our voice results from the vibration of our local vocal cords. Human heart beats and vibration of other organs like lungs also produces the sound waves. So human heart beats and the sound waves are produced. So and similarly we can see that the vibration of other organs like lungs also produces sound waves. Doctor used stethoscope to hear this sound. So for example, when a patient come towards the doctor, so the doctor used stethoscope to hear the sound heartbeat of the person or a patient. So this device stethoscope is used to hear the heartbeat or to hear the heart sound of the person. So the activity we have, let us perform the activity which shows that the sound is produced by the vibrating body. Okay, this is the sort of activity which proves that the sound is produced by the vibrating body. In school laboratory, we use the device called tuning fork to produce a particular sound. Tuning fork is used to produce any kind of sound. If we strike the tuning fork against the rubber hammer, the tuning fork will begin to vibrate. Okay, we can hear the sound produced by the tuning fork by bringing it to our ear. So if we strike the tuning fork with the rubber hammer, okay, rubber hammer, so obviously the tuning fork will begin to vibrate. Okay, tuning fork will vibrate. We can hear the sound produced by the tuning fork by bringing it closer to our ear. We can also feel the vibrations by touching one of the prong of the vibrating tuning fork with the plastic ball suspending from the thread. Okay, we can feel the vibration by some other ways also. We can touch that vibrating tuning fork, the prong of the vibrating tuning fork with the plastic ball suspended from the thread. Touch the ball gently with the prong of the vibrating tuning fork. Okay, the tuning fork will push the ball because of its vibration. Now because the tuning fork is vibrating, the ball, we would touch the ball with the prong of the vibrating tuning fork, and that tuning fork will push the ball away just because of its vibration, because its vibration are so strong, so it will push the ball away because the vibrations are so strong. That's why. So it means that the sounds are produced by the vibrating body, and this is the perfect example for it. Now, if we dip the vibrating tuning fork into the glass of water, we can see the splash due to the vibration of the tuning fork. Now, if we put the same vibrating tuning fork into that glass of water, we see that the splash is produced, the sound is produced due to the vibrating tuning fork. From this activity, we conclude that the sound is produced by the vibrating body. So this activity proves that the sound is produced by the vibrating body. So we have studied different experiment related to the sound, that the sound requires some sort of particular medium, which should be the air, and the sound is produced by the vibrating body, and human ear has the capacity to hear that the sound waves. Then we have performed the experiment related to the tuning fork, and that we just press the tuning fork with the rubber hammer, and due to that the vibration of the tuning fork is produced, and if we bring the tuning fork closer to our ear, then we see that the sound waves are produced. Then we place the same tuning fork, we rub the same tuning fork with the rubber ball. We can see that the rubber ball push away just because of the vibration of the tuning fork. And if we place the same tuning fork into the uh, glass of water, we can see the splash due to the vibration of the tuning fork. Thus, this activity is conclude that the sound is produced by the vibrating body. So I hope that you people enjoy my video. Thank you so much. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and spread the physics worldwide. Physics, it's just an interesting subject. Enjoy. Thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.